Okay, I'm going over IXL lessons T5F NPZ 5GC and 9K8. On the board I had NPC written, but it should be a Z. Sorry. Okay, I'm looking at NPZ first. So I have -10 plus -2P is less than or equal to -2. So in order to solve, we need to add 10 to both sides of the inequality. If we get stuck, this goes in Desmos. Now type in -2 plus 10, which is +8, is greater than or equal to -2p. Now, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, your inequality symbol will flip. Excuse me. Divide by -2 on both sides. Thank you. Cross that out because that's 1. P is now greater than 8 divided by -2. Also go back to Desmos to calculate that. 8 divide -2 and you get -4. So then when we go to IXL to submit our answer, we're going to say P is greater than or equal to -4. Got it right. Okay, now the next question is 2z minus 4 is greater than 2. On both sides of the inequality, we need to add 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2z is greater than, this is 6, and then divide by 2, z is greater than 3. One answer, 2 answers. Go back to IXL. Z is greater than 3. All right, let's jump up to a more rigorous question. 9 is greater than 7 minus r. So this is a +7. I need to subtract 7 from both sides. 9 minus 7 is 2, is greater than -r. This is a negative symbol, so this is an invisible -1. So I need to divide by -1 and divide by -1, and wherever I divide by a negative, that means I need to flip. So turn my sign around, and then 2 divided by -1 is -2. R is greater than -2, or -2 is less than r. -2 is less than r. Check your work. Let's jump another level. -4d plus 75 is greater than 31. Subtract 75 from both sides. -4d is greater than, this is 4, -44. Let me double check with Desmos. -44, and then divide by -4, divide by -4. D, turn my sign around, is less than 11. Got it. Now that gets me really close to 80. I've shown my work. Now let's go on to another IXL lesson. Let's check out 5GC. Did that one. You can always click the search bar to find your IXL lessons and not necessarily look at the teacher recommendations. All right, so this is 5GC. Number 1, I have Z plus 8 divided by 7 is greater than 2. So this is division by 7. I must multiply both sides by 7. This 7 over 7 becomes one group of Z plus 8, which is greater than 14. And then I need to subtract 8 from both sides. Z is greater than 6. So then I'm going to graph this on a number line. So I need to plot my endpoint, select an endpoint to change it from open to close. This one's going to be an open one because there's no equal sign. So I need to go to 6, and it's going to be greater than 6. So go all the way to the arrow, and then come back to your circle and click it to leave it open, and then check it. K plus 1 divided by negative 3 is less than or equal to 1. So this will be a closed circle. I must multiply both sides by negative 3. These cancel out, and because I'm multiplying by a negative, I gotta flip. Then I will say that I have one group of K plus 1 is now greater than or equal to negative 3. And then I would subtract 1 from both sides. K is greater than or equal to, this is negative 4. Go to my graph. Negative 4. And K is greater, so go all the way to the arrow. And it's going to stay closed, so I'll click submit. Let's jump up a level. Negative 1 is greater than or equal to m minus 5 divided by 3. No flipping of the sign here. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. These are left with one group of m minus 5 is less than or equal to negative 3. Add 5 to both sides. 5 minus 3 is 2, is greater than or equal to m, or m is less than or equal to 2. There's 2. It's going to go less all the way to the other side. Oops, 2 less. Leave my circle closed. Just click submit. Okay, there's some distribution involved here. Your sheet. 4 times f plus 6 close parentheses is greater than or equal to 20. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. I want my 4 to go away. This is f plus 6 is greater than or equal to 20 divided by 4 is 5. Subtract 5, subtract 5. Whoops, subtract 6. Whoopsies. There we go. 6 minus 6 is 0. F is greater than or equal to 5 minus 6 is negative 1. No flipping here because we did not multiply or divide by a negative number. F is greater than or equal to negative 1. Come back here, go to negative 1, and I want to be greater and equal. Keep my sign or my circle closed. Click submit. All right, another challenging one. Negative 14 is less than 2 times s plus 2 minus 6. Lots of undoing to do here. I would first add 6 to both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0. Negative 14 plus 6 is negative 8, and this is less than 2 times s plus 2. I would now get rid of this multiplication by 2 by dividing by 2. Divide by 2. This is now negative 4 is less than, excuse me, s plus 2. And then I would subtract 2 from both sides. And I would have s is greater than negative 6. Excuse me. Go to my number line. Go to -6 and be greater. Leave my circle open and click submit. Alright, last one. Okay, put it in this drawer right here, please. Yes. And then I'm finishing my video. Y'all are working on your IXL lessons that are due next Tuesday.
Finished one yesterday.
Awesome. And then I still need to update your grade from the other ones that you emailed me about, sweetheart. I'm going to do that soon. All right, so this one. Yes, sir. I'm going to add one to both sides. That's okay. Just give me what you got. The ones go away. I now have 5 times y minus 2 is greater than 9 plus 1 is 10. Divide by 5 on the left and on the right. Y minus 2 is greater than 2. Add 2, add 2. Y is greater than 4. When you're graphing, yes, can I have a ticket, please? Tickets? Did you not get tickets? Okay, hang tight, sweetie. I got 4, and then it's greater, and then this is open. Click submit, and now I'm closer to the 80. Oops. Go back. Alright, I'm on 9K8 now. This is n plus 6 divided by 11 is greater than 1. So we got to multiply both sides by 11. N plus 6 is now greater than 11. And then I would subtract 6 from both sides. N is greater than 5. I wonder if I can use a keyboard. Oh, okay. N is greater than 5. I hope I did that right. I did. Okay, there's distribution involved here and a negative. So -5 is greater than -1 times W minus 15. I would divide both sides by -1. And then when you divide by this negative, your sign is going to flip the other way. This is W minus 15 because this -1 and this -1 equals 1. And these turn into a positive, so 5 divided by 1 is 5. And then I would add 5 to both sides. W is greater than 10. Go back to my IXL lesson. W is greater than 10. Oh, got it wrong. Real wrong. What did I do? Divide by -1. Oh, I wrote the problem wrong. I wrote 15. And this should have been a 15. Oops. Okay, let's do it again. Let's fix it. Got it. Let's do it the right way this time. C plus 12 divided by -1. Again, my sign is still going to flip because I have a negative. So multiply both sides by -1. And by -1, the sign flips. These become +2. This cancels out. C plus 12, not 2 this time, Miss Darling. Now subtract 12 on the left and 12 on the right. Let me double check and make sure I wrote the problem correctly. And then, now put it in the drawer behind me, please. C is greater than 2 minus 12 is -10. Okay, let's see if I did it right now. C greater than -12. Again, wrong. Oh, I wrote -10 and I typed in -12. Oh my God. Okay, let's do it again. 7 greater than -1 times C minus 16. Divide by -1, divide by -1. Third time's a charm, y'all. -7. Flip the sign. C minus 16 plus 16. You can't see what I'm doing. Plus 16. C is greater than 16 plus, or 16 minus 7 should be 9. Let me double check because I can't be too sure. I've already messed up 37 times. 16 minus 7. 9. Put it in the drawer behind me, please, sweetie. Behind me, over here, it's going to say period 2 or 2.